Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to bring you along as I do another journaling page in my 2023 journal. I still am liking using this washi tape, and I got this washi tape from Stationery Pal, and Junie Desiree, I think is how you say her last name. She had did a video, gosh, over a year ago, on this washi tape, and I really like it a lot, and I have several different colors of it. I'm still trying to work out the best pen to use on this washi tape. That's the only little disappointment, is that I'm struggling to find a good pen. Now the fatter side of this pen did work better, but then I didn't let it dry. It was still kind of wet as I was continuing to work on the page. It was a Zig pen, and I don't even know if they make those anymore, but I really like them. And then I just added some washi tape, and I love this washi tape. I'll try to remember where I got it and list that down below. It could have been Amazon, but I'm not sure. And I knew I wanted to do something with that washi tape on this page. And then I was just looking for my little to-do list stamp is what I'm calling it, and I think I showed it to you in the other video. I really like I think it's really cute. I like the little paper clip on there, and I like to do more of a to-done list versus a to-do list in my journal. And here I'm just putting something on the back there so that I can have a solid surface to stamp on. And I like that speckled egg. Thought that went nicely with the other colors on the page. And yeah, I'm very pleased with, I've been pretty productive this year so far, and I'm quite pleased with that. Getting a lot of things done. I like that that Micron pen. That's another one of my favorites. I have a black, purple, and green of the Micron, and I'll probably buy some more of those this year, so I really like them. But yeah, I'm really excited getting stuff done. You can see there some of the items that I knocked off the list on Monday, so I'm happy about that. Because usually after my daughter goes back to Seattle, I'm sad and almost a little depressed, and I really don't do anything. And so I'm sad that she's gone, but I've been productive, and I'm happy about that. So that's been going pretty good. Makes me happy. I've been doing some organizing things and doing some exercising and watching what I'm eating. So I think that's good. And you can see there where I put my hand in that ink that wasn't dry yet. So that was a little bit frustrating, but that's okay. I was going to write over that. So here I was just trying to think of what else I want to put on top of this washi tape. So I pulled out, these are some clusters that I made a while back. And I have a video on this, making those clusters, if you want to check that out. And this butterfly couldn't be more perfect. I mean, the colors of that butterfly match that washi tape almost perfectly. And I wanted to just find something to layer underneath that butterfly between that and the washi tape. So this is a pad. I think I got this from Your Creative Studios, I think. But they're all kind of like stickers. So you can peel the whole sheet off and use it, the whole sheet, or some of it is cut out, like you can see that shape there. And I like this little kind of, looks like a clipboard with a piece of paper on it. So I like keeping my layouts simple in this journal because the main focus is my writing that I'm going to be doing in this journal. And so I like just grabbing things that are in my supplies that are in my room, in my stash, and kind of thinking about a theme or a focal point or particular supply that I want to use on a page. and then kind of go from there and see where that leads me. So that's, I started with that washi tape, and everything else kind of led and flowed from that wad washi tape. So this sticker, these stickers are kind of background stickers, and I think I got those at Joann's. I think could be Hobby Lobby. But I wanted to put something down in that bottom right hand corner, and something, abstract there. And I did not make sure I had a good base to do the stamp, so it didn't turn out great, and I was worried. This is the first time I was using the stamp, so I thought, is it the stamp or is it me? Because I was lazy and didn't make sure I had something solid to stamp onto. So I thought I would stamp it again, just to show you all and myself what the stamp really looks like. And yep, it wasn't me, it was the stamp. I mean, it was me, it wasn't the stamp. But I think that's a really cool stamp. I like that a lot. So since I didn't get good coverage on my journal page, I am going to put some layering over top of it to kind of camouflage that. And that's what's great about journaling, is if you don't like something, or you don't, you make a mistake, then you can just layer on top of that and kind of hide that. So I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do, and I have these little, they're almost like postage stamps, but it's of mushrooms. And I didn't want to use the red one. I wanted to use the brown and the yellow mushroom stamp, because I thought that went with the colors of this page better. So I'm just going to put that red one back on there, use it another time. And of course I'm inking everything up. And I decide that I need to do some layering here as well. So I look for another washi tape that I can layer underneath that mushroom stamp. And this is a kit. I know for sure I got this off of Amazon. So I'll try to remember to list that one down below. I love this little set. And it was a good value, good price for all the different, I think it was, you got 10 of them, I think, in this little kit. And I think that just complements nicely there. So then I have all the rest of that page to do my writing. So thank you all so much for joining me, and I'll see you all in the next video. Remember to hit that like button. Thank you all so much for watching. Love you.